gonna show you how to install OBS. OBS, the recorder studio for you. So first, I will show you what link to use and what stuff to use. Go to the link down below in the description, OBS download for Windows. And I'll put one for Apple. Then you click, not this one, you click, I'll show you a quicker one and it's free. Download this. Let's wait for it to download. Check what you have. I have a 64-bit or you have a 32-bit. To know, if you want to know how much bits you have, you go to I think you search Windows. No, you don't search. I don't know, I forgot. I think you go. I have a 64-bit, but if you want to know, you could go to System Properties, and then you check here. System type, I have a 64-bit. If you want to know, you could just do that. Open this. Open Control Panel. Then go to System, and then you will see what you have. I have a 64-bit, so I download a 64-bit OBS. And if you have a 32-bit, you download 32-bit. That easy. Then we wait for this to download. It's not gonna take that long because I connected a cable to the internet and it's connected to the PC. It's not gonna take that long. But if you have a different or a faster internet, it will not take that long. So guys, look at it. It's almost done. Look. Once it's done, I will open it. OBS Studios. You click yes, and it's gonna download. Look, see? I already did it, but since I already have OBS installed on this computer, I won't install it. And this is another one. It's called ISPRING Free Cam, and then you could just click download now for free, and then it's called, I think, yes, this one. Download the latest version and it's gonna install that. See, it's already downloading, but I don't need to. It's because I don't need it. I already have a good OBS and it's good. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you love this, comment down below, and if you want more videos like this, comment down below. So goodbye.